Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to your new favorite weeknight dinner, Cilantro Lime Chicken. This recipe offers incredibly flavorful, juicy chicken that comes together in under 30 minutes. You'll discover the secret to bright, zesty notes, making it a truly delicious and healthy option. It's perfect for those busy evenings when you want something satisfying without all the fuss, a real crowd pleaser every time. Creating this vibrant dish starts with gathering just a few fresh ingredients. You'll want boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, which are perfect for quick cooking and absorbing flavor. Fresh cilantro and juicy limes are absolutely essential for that signature zesty taste. Don't forget some minced garlic, a splash of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper to round out your simple, delicious marinade. Unlocking maximum flavor truly happens in the marinade, so plan for at least 30 minutes of soaking. Simply combine your freshly chopped cilantro, the bright juice from your limes, and the fragrant minced garlic. Add in your olive oil and a dash of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together, then coat your chicken completely. Pop it into the fridge, allowing those incredible flavors to meld and tenderize the meat beautifully. Now it's time to cook your marinated chicken to perfection. You can pan-sear it for a beautiful golden crust, bake it for a hands-off approach, or even grill it for a smoky flavor. Cook over medium-high heat for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, ensuring it's golden brown and cooked through. Always remember to let your chicken rest for a few minutes after cooking. This crucial step keeps it incredibly juicy and tender. Your delicious cilantro lime chicken masterpiece is now ready to be savored. Slice it up and serve it alongside some fluffy white rice, or pair it with your favorite roasted vegetables for a balanced meal. It's also absolutely fantastic tucked into warm tortillas for zesty tacos. This versatile dish is perfect for simple weeknight dinners, or it can be easily prepped for healthy lunches throughout your busy week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.